I was born in Kediri, a small town in West Java, a place where dreams were scarce, but my passion was vast. I loved to create something great, to be an entrepreneur. So, I pursued international business management. I confess. With determination, I joined the international class at Jupiter University Software. I learned the skills that I need to make my dreams a reality, to walk the path of success. With each step, I grew stronger, fueled by the fire inside me. Studying at Jupiter University has been an amazing experience for me. I've been fortunate enough to learn from some of the most accomplished lecturers in the field, and I've gained a wealth of valuable knowledge and insights that will undoubtedly benefit me in my future career. Despite all that I've learned in the classroom, however, I've come to realize that experience truly is the best education. It's through the real-world experiences that I've been able to apply what I've learned in the classroom and truly understand how to navigate the complexities of the business world.
Hallo,
Hallo,
guten Tag.
guten Tag.
Wollen wir direkt anfangen?
Ja, bitte.
Bitte schön.
Dankeschön.
I consider myself to be a highly organized individual. I find it helpful to get a list of all my assignments and rubrics, and to keep a watchful eye on everything that needs to be done. This approach allows me to remain focused and avoid feeling overwhelmed when things get chaotic. I typically prefer to work independently, but I've come to understand that this can sometimes lead to a feeling of isolation. In group work, I always complete the tasks that have been assigned to me, but I tend to shy away from the role of group leader. This is because I feel the weight of responsibility that comes with the leadership, both for myself and for the other members. Nonetheless, I'm making an effort to overcome my fears and anxieties, recognizing that leadership is a vital quality in the world of entrepreneurship. In a group setting, I'm receptive to feedback and constructive criticism. I strongly believe that each person has something valuable to offer, and I'm always eager to hear and consider different perspectives and ideas. I'm a productive team member and strive to complete my tasks in a timely manner. I also make it a point to remind my fellow team members about their responsibilities, as I understand the importance of accountability and dependability in a group setting. My ultimate goal is to be a reliable and productive contributor, and I believe that these qualities will be the key to my success in all my future endeavors. During my time at Jupiter University, I have to explore and grow in many ways. I want to immerse myself in diverse events and activities, connect with new people, and gain fresh knowledge. These experiences are crucial to my personal development and will help shape my future path. I'm eager to embark on this journey and see where it takes me. My family has been my unwavering support system throughout my journey. They have lifted me up and encouraged me to chase my dreams. As I continue on this path, I hope to also find support from my friends and lecturers. With their guidance and encouragement, I know that I can achieve remarkable feats and make a difference in the world. Together, we can go far and accomplish great things. As I come to the end of my story, I reflect on the ups and downs of my life's journey. Through it all, I've gained valuable experience and insights that have taught me the importance of being open-minded, dependable, and organized. These qualities have helped me to succeed in my endeavors, and I'm eager to continue to grow and learn as I move forward. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my journey, and I look forward to seeing what the future holds. I pursued international business management. My compass.
Cut. Oke.
Management.
Yes.
Management.